Here at Conso, we've got the JUKI MO-6814S 4-thread overlocker on a small table with a silent servo motor. The silent servo motor is excellent as it makes virtually no sound and it saves on electricity. The small tabletop is also excellent if you are quite tight for space, as you can see it is a lot smaller than the typical industrial table. The 4-thread feature means that the 3 threads do overlocking and 1 thread will do a safety stitch, but it can also be used as a 3-thread overlock. We will now give you a small demonstration about it sewing. The presser foot can also be lifted with your foot that is underneath the table, and it's got a maximum height of 7mm. As you can see, it has perfect stitching all the way around. For any more questions, please leave a comment below or drop us an email. For any more videos, please check out our channel, and you can also view all these machines on our website. Thank you.